Equipment inspections keep people safe, keep equipment on the job, and keep maintenance costs low. But the process often gets bogged down by paper forms and a slow, inefficient handoff from the field to the shop. The B2W One platform cuts out steps and improves the flow of information. Contractors can make repairs faster and more efficiently by completing inspections electronically and generating repair requests automatically. Key components are the B2W Inform application for electronic forms and reporting, the B2W Maintain application for maintenance management, an API connection linking them, and a single operational database supporting both and providing one source of truth for information critical to inspections and maintenance, like equipment lists and maintenance codes. B2W Inform makes it easy to create electronic forms for any requirement. So instead of relying on generic one-size-fits-all inspection forms, contractors can customize according to the specific types of equipment they have and the data they want to collect. Accessing forms is easy on any device, increasing the likelihood that inspections get completed thoroughly and on time. And with form fields linked to the B2W operational database, dropdowns are populated with valid, up-to-date options for identifying equipment, employees, or other information. This makes filling out the forms faster and easier, and it prevents errors. When inspection form templates are created in B2W Inform, it's easy to define conditions under which repair requests will be generated automatically in B2W Maintain. Menus also guide Inform administrators through a straightforward process to map fields from the inspection form to the repair request format in B2W Maintain. B2W Inform inspection forms can be filled out and submitted through a browser-based application or mobile app. In this example, an inspector documents damage to the windshield and the brakes of an excavator. Checking damaged, in this case, queues 2 repair requests to be generated in B2W Maintain. The inspector adds a comment, includes a photo, and signs the form. Hitting complete triggers automatic generation of the 2 repair requests. Now in B2W Maintain, we see these 2 new repair requests, and they're populated with data taken directly from the inspection form, including photos. Everything a mechanic needs to complete the work. This B2W One platform workflow transforms the equipment inspection process, adding electronic immediacy and automation, eliminating errors, uncertainty, and miscommunication between the field and the shop, and allowing maintenance teams to prioritize and schedule repairs for maximum efficiency, uptime, and safety.